So this video is for the guys that are using the Peak Design travel tripods and also the Falcam F38 quick release system. And I hope it will be helpful for you, so let's see. The latest and greatest acquisition in the studio, the Peak Design travel tripod in carbon fiber. I was thinking a lot about getting this tripod and it was the best solution for a compact travel tripod to get with me when I go to my new client. So this is the smallest big tripod. This is how I called it because it is really small when it is packed, and this will fit pretty nice in my camera bag on its side in the water bottle pocket when I will be riding my motorcycle to get to that client, because my car is broke right now. Broken, not broke. Maybe broke too. But I will need to get my camera bag, pack the tripod, this camera, and go straight to my client and film some vertical content. And yeah, smallest big tripod on the market. And it still is the smallest tripod when it is retracted. Yeah, it is compact. And I don't know if I told you in the past about the quick release system that I use for all my mounting accessories here in the studio. And this is the Falcam F38 quick release system, which comes with this kind of plate on the bottom of the camera, which is also compatible with the Peak Design capture clip. Let me show you. This is my camera bag, the Temba Axis V2 24 liter, and this will fit perfectly right here in the capture V3. The plate that I have used here is also compatible with the Peak Design system. And the problem here, how do you fit this camera with this plate on this tripod? I didn't think enough about this, and this was the issue that I have come across last night when I unboxed the tripod. So let me put the camera right here and show you. That's a big problem. And of course I was thinking about getting another plate like this. This is mounted on a Manfrotto RC2 above the desk for the top-down shot, and I was thinking about getting a new plate to put on this tripod, but I need to remove the screws. And I said, okay, I will remove the screws right here, and I will make space for the base plate for the Falcam system. So let me undo this and show you how it will fit right here, and it fits pretty nicely. But what if you forgot to tighten the base plate on the tripod? The camera can fall out pretty easy, and this is not cool, trust me. The solution right now will be to see on which part of the tripod the lens will go, and then install just one of the screws right here to hold the base plate, assuming that you will never tilt backwards the camera. And in the case you will do that, the camera will fall on its back, right like this, if you forgot to put enough tension right here. As you can see, this isn't a reliable solution, and Peak Design sells separately another head which is fixed and allows you to screw in plates like this or other ball heads. And it wasn't cool because I wanted to use this head because it is compact and it doesn't take a lot of space. So I was thinking about the thing that I told you earlier, which is right here on the bottom of the camera. Okay, so let's put everything back together now, and let me show you this plate that comes with the tripod from Peak Design, and which also comes with the capture clips that Peak Design provides, and it fits just like this here, and it is pretty snug. But as you saw earlier, the base plate for the Falcam system wasn't that snug. So right now the solution for me would be to remove the Falcam base plate and install the Peak Design base plate every time I want to go and shoot for this client, and this is pretty inconvenient because I don't want to screw around with these plates every time that I want to record something. It is pretty annoying, and I usually don't like to waste time on this kind of stuff. But this is the Peak Design capture clip, and the camera is compatible with it, with the Falcam base plate, which of course I have mentioned it earlier. This is the base plate which is also compatible with the Peak Design capture clip, so it's not the default backplate that comes with this quick release system. It is thicker on its side and not on top and bottom. Let me show you a better example. If you install the camera from back to front, it fits into the Peak Design capture clip, into the Peak Design system, which is also an archetype system. But when you install it sideways, it is compatible with the Falcam quick release system. So the solution right here is pretty easy, and maybe you weren't thinking about it just like me. Take your tripod, rotate it to left or 90 degrees, and then take your camera and just press on the tripod head, and now it is more secure, and you can also tighten it, and now it is fully secure. You have both screws on the front and the back, and it will not fall off if you tilt the camera to the front or to the back. So yeah, problem solved. You cannot imagine how angry I was after spending almost 600 euros on a tripod and then realizing that it will not fit with my base plates, and I will need to exchange every time my base plates when I want to use the tripod. But yeah, there's the solution. Mount it sideways. Pretty annoying to access the release lever and the locking lever right here on the tripod, but it is better than exchanging everything, exchanging the plates, screwing these things around every time. So yeah, I can live with it. Also, if you want to go one step above, you can always take a plate like this, the F38 plate, and do some machining for the screw on the tripod head to fit and lock the plate in, and then you can have this plate attached to the Peak Design ball head, and then you can use the system as usual like this. Okay, it is a bit hard if it is not mounted on a ball head, but yeah. So after 24 hours with this tripod and 2 videos already filmed with it, I can say that the build quality and the features of this tripod are amazing, but the price is too big. I am not sure if I will make a dedicated review about this tripod because YouTube is full of them since it was released 4 or 5 years ago. But what I can say about it is that the biggest con about it is the price. The price is huge, yeah. Is too much, man, too much. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.